Welcome. This video I'll show you how to fix a ChatGPT access denied. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, open up ChatGPT, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go to the top right and then just sign in. Okay? Once signed in, just go ahead and check if it helps. Okay? If you're already signed in, you may want to go to the top left. Alright? Now go to the bottom, tap on your profile, sign out and sign back in. This time, if you're not using a Gmail account, go ahead and try to use a Gmail account for signing in with a ChatGPT. Okay? Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and find the app icon, tap and hold on it. Tap on the information icon. This is for Android users, okay? Go to storage and then tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear data. If you're using iOS, go to the settings app, locate the application section. Now go ahead and find ChatGPT and just tap on offload data or offload app. Okay. Once that's done, reopen the ChatGPT app and it will ask you to log in with your account. Just go log in and it should work now. Now, if that didn't work temporarily, you could go ahead and open up your favorite browser and in here, just go ahead and use ChatGPT. Okay. Just like so. Try using it without logging in. If it still won't work, log in with your account. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.